doll collectors and gift givers. Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. This year marks the 60th anniversary of Ken. That's right, there have been 60 years of Ken. And to celebrate, Mattel has made a few dolls for the occasion. Here we have 3 dolls with some modern looks based on classic Ken styles. From 1961, this doll is inspired by original Ken. From 1984, this guy is inspired by Great Shape Ken. And from 1985, this doll is inspired by Rocker Derrick. I bought all of these dolls on Amazon a few weeks ago at $9.99 each. I have heard on social that these guys are popping up in other stores with varying prices. Now let's get them out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, original Ken has a familiar face sculpt. He has tan skin, brown hair, hazel eyes. They do look like they are digitally printed. We can see a little bit of pixelation there. He stands 12 inches tall, has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. He wears a red, white, and lavender striped shirt that stays open in the front. He wears red shorts with an elastic waistband and brown translucent slide-on shoes. Great Shape Ken has a lighter complexion with blonde hair, blue eyes. His eyes do have some slight pixelation. You do have to look very close. He wears a white t-shirt with a blue and yellow stripe. It velcros in the back. He has matching blue pants with an elastic waistband, wears white sneakers, and carries a silver-colored weight. There is a little bracket for his hand to help him hold it. This doll is also 12 inches with 5 points of articulation. Last but not least, here is Rocker Derrick. He is a slim Ken standing at 11.5 inches tall. He has brown skin. His hair is sculpted to look like locks laying to the side. He has brown eyes with very little pixelation. He wears a multicolored jacket with a green shirt. The jacket and the shirt are one piece. They velcro in the back. He wears black shorts that also velcro in the back. And he also wears white shoes. I think it is pretty cool how we can get Playline dolls inspired by historical looks. The classic Ken look at $9.99 is definitely a must-have for me. These are pretty much fashionista level dolls, so you can take their outfits and share them with whatever doll you like, and add them to our ever-growing Ken wardrobe. I picked up these fashion packs at Walmart with the new reusable packaging. We have everyday wear, career wear, and shoes. This was less than $3. We get a clear plastic Barbie bag and 4 pairs of shoes. For less than $5, we found career packs. Each one has a complete outfit and 1 accessory, but you will need a pair of shoes. This clear reusable bag is double the size of the one for the shoes. The tennis outfit has orange shorts with an elastic waistband, a teal and orange shirt that velcros in the back, and it comes with a racket and a tennis ball that can be removed. And here it is on Slim Ken. I like the length of these shorts. They are nice and long. You know, I love when the bags have these little hangers. Here is the basketball uniform fashion pack. There is an orange, white, and blue tank top paired with orange shorts with a blue elastic waistband. It comes with a gold-colored trophy with the Barbie logo on it, and the number 61 is on the jersey for the year Ken was introduced. So if you're going all out for Ken's anniversary, this is a fun fashion pack to add to the list. Our next fashion pack has a set of scrubs. We have a green top with a graphic print. The top velcros in the back, and we have blue pants with an elastic waistband. This set comes with a blue stethoscope that we can place on the doll's ears. And we paired it with some blue shoes from the shoe accessory pack. All right, these guys look ready for work. And here are a few outfits for their days off. Here we have a pink t-shirt. The word paradise is on the front with yellow and red and white. There is black stitching around the arms, neck, and the bottom of the shirt. There is a plastic silver-colored belt with a chain detail and black pants with white details. Maybe it's a light gray. The pants and the shirt are two separate pieces, and they Velcro in the back. I like the pants. I think they will make a great addition to our wardrobe. Up next, we have a baseball-styled shirt. It looks like a printed denim with flowers, the number 5 in red on one side, and then we have black trim as a detail. This one has no closures. The shirt is just meant to stay open. It's paired with red cutoff shorts with an elastic waistband and comes with a pair of sunglasses. And our last fashion pack does come with a pair of shoes. It looks like the same shoes that come with Great Shape Kin. It comes with a blue tie-dye top that has blue stitching around the collar and the bottom of the sleeves. I like the rim that is at the bottom of the top, and I would have liked to have seen that added to the sleeves. And we have matching shorts that have an elastic waistband with a folded under hem at the bottom. That would have been cool on the sleeves and collar as well. This outfit looks pretty comfy, and I'm sure we could use it on a variety of dolls. I thought they would be adorable his and her wear, so I picked up 2. Personally, I think it is awesome that Ken has been with us for 60 years. I have enjoyed watching the line grow, and that we can now find made-to-move Kens so we can give our boys a little more articulation. I would have loved if these guys were made-to-move Kens. Just throwing that out there, because I think the guys could use a little more love. Thank you for joining us while we looked at the 60 years of Ken dolls and a few fashion packs. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!